Hello everyone, Daniel here with the e-bike journey channel. Thank you all for tuning in today. I appreciate you. Today we're going to be diving into an in-depth review. We're going to take an up-close look at this helmet right here from a company called ISTORM. Within this video I'm going to show you all this helmet up close. I'm going to talk about some of my experiences with it, and I'm going to relay as much information as I possibly can so that way by the end of this video you are well acquainted with this product on your end. I will also leave links in the description below for you so you can check this out on your end should you choose to do so. If you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I'm going to highly encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. With that being said, let's dive straight on into this. Now allow me to show you the outer here of the helmet. Let's begin with the outer area of the helmet. So as you can see, it is in a bag, and this is the bag that it came in. It came in a box within a bag. I didn't unbox it as I got a little eager to check it out, but I'm going to go ahead and show you all the helmet up close. This is relatively brand new still, as I've only worn it maybe a few times so far. Now this one's going to be for my new 8,000 watt e-bike that I do have on the way, so be sure to stick around for the unboxing of that e-bike as well. Now for this right here, moving on front here, let's go ahead and check out the helmet. Let me show you upside down here. So as you can see, the helmet already is looking really rugged and heavy duty. Let's take a look at it. So this is what the helmet looks like here, and this is the side profile. This is the front right here. This is the other side. And this is the back right here. So all in all, it does have a great design. For those who are curious why I am holding or why I'm wearing gloves, is because I don't want to get too much oil over this helmet right here, as it does take oil pretty well, as you can see on some parts here. So I'm going to remove the goggles and show you the way that it actually comes stock. I'll actually leave a link in the description below so you can check out these goggles on your end. These are actually really cool goggles, inexpensive as well. Sit nice and flush within here, like so, as you see. Now, all in all though, from my experience, this has been a wonderful helmet. I will actually put up some other videos showing you some clips of it on the head here, but I'm trying to show you this product up close so you can know what to expect on your end. And I also have some intercoms that I'm going to be installing in this helmet, so be sure to stick around for that as well. I'll be doing a review on the intercoms as well. As you see, I did put some vinyl right here to cover the emblems, as I wanted it to be as black as possible. So I just covered that with some vinyl. As you can see, it accepted very nicely if you're choosing to customize it further on your end. Now for me though, I'm going to easily give this helmet here a thumbs up and a 5 stars. And again, easily I'm going to do that just simply because it is all around a good helmet. I do feel it is well built, it is solid, and is definitely going to do the job here. And again, links will be in the description below for you. I'm going to take a look under the helmet here so you can see what that looks like. So as you can see, it has very thick padding in here, and these are button on and off there. That's where the intercom is going to go. That's going to be for another video. But as you can see though, all in all, this helmet seems really well made. I also like the locking mechanism as well here. So this is a different locking mechanism versus what I'm typically used to seeing. However, it works flawlessly. This is a great locking mechanism right here. Simply pull this tab to release the lock and you're all good to go. Some more padding down here. As you can see, the size that I do have for this helmet is going to be an XXL there. Let me zoom in here so you can really see. So it does say XXL, 61 to 62 cm. That's the sizing for this helmet right here. So yeah, this is the ISTORM helmet up close. I hope that I'm able to shed some light for you all here. Yet again, if you have any questions at all though about anything that you may have saw throughout this video, I'm going to highly encourage you to drop a comment down below, and I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I also have a TikTok under the same name as this YouTube channel under E-Bike Journey. I would truly appreciate the support on there as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I will be bringing more videos like this for you all. Thank you for tuning in yet again. You have a great day.